back to Team Visionaries, guys. It's your girl Salome here. So today I've got another modification that I want to do. So as you can see behind me, this is a BMW X5 which has had an accident, and originally it's 70,000 US dollars. But then I want to upgrade it and modify it to a BMW X5M Sport. So what happened with this car? It had an accident. So instead of fixing it or buying a new one, it's a bit expensive. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna modify it into an X5M. Last time when I had a video like this, people were like, you're lying, this car is already that car, you did modify it. If you don't believe me, come along, let me show you this engine. If you check the X5M, it's actually a V8 turbo, but this one is a V6. You can take a look at it, and I'm gonna also show you the authenticity of this car by just showing you that tag. So you can come along, let me show you. If you take a look here, this is a B58, which proves that this car is a BMW X5. But then if it's an X5M, it's gonna be S58. So this is just to show you guys, this is definitely an BMW X5. We're gonna modify it into a BMW X5M. So stay tuned to see. So to modify this car, not only do you have to dismantle the front, we also have to dismantle the rear. So as you can see, the front has already been dismantled like this. The front bumper, the grills, all of it dismantled. So let's go to the rear end, and then you can see what we have also dismantled. Let's go. So here we are, you can actually see the tail lights have also been dismantled. Also the bumpers, everything is going to be removed so that we can actually modify it into an X5M. Both the rear and the front end has to be dismantled. So stay along, guys. You gotta see and witness everything through my lenses. Okay, stay tuned. After a long day of modification, we are finally done modifying this car. If you look at it right now, you might think there isn't much of difference, but let me tell you and let me show you the parts of the original car, and we can compare them with this modified ones so that we can see. So we're gonna start with the grille. As you can see in my hand, I'm holding the old grille. So let's come and take a look. This is the old one and this is the new one. Now you can vividly see the difference. This is horizontal and this is vertical. Now take a look at this. Oh my god, it's a bit heavy, the front bumper. So if you take a look at this front bumper, it's a bit conservative, but take a look at this, our X5M. It's actually more sporty. It has that handsome look that comes along. So considering the aesthetics, you can take a look here. We have removed the fog lights, so the condenser has to be installed so that it doesn't really look very empty in the front. So it's gonna look much prettier and filled in with these condensers inside. Wheel flares here. This is the wheel flare of the original car, but then since we have changed the front bumper, we also have to change the wheel flares. And this new one is a little bit wider as compared to the old one. Don't really know if you guys can see the difference. So if it's a bit wider like this, it makes your wheel be inside because you don't really have to come outside. Besides that, we also have these side gills. So we've upgraded the side gills, and you can see X5M written here. This is now an M Sport version. We also have the rear view mirrors. We have this design of the honey style, so it makes it look like sporty as well. And the side skirts here, tada! If your car is not an M Sport, then you can choose to keep the side skirts. But if your car is an M Sport, it will definitely have this one, as well as the top part here. If it's an M Sport, it will already have this part, but if it's not, you can choose to add it on. At the rear end, we have actually added the lip spoiler. So the original X5 does not have the spoiler, but the X5M definitely needs a spoiler. We also have upgraded the rear bumper. As you can see, this is the original one, rear bumper with the rear lip. So if you take a look at the rear lip of the original X5, it's a little bit like sticks to the body, but then if you take a look at this one, it's really nice, much more upgraded. And if you take a look at the exhaust, the original exhaust is like this. You see, this is how it was looking like, just giving you an idea. So as compared to this X5M, I do personally prefer this one. Now that we have actually shown you the complete car, guys, now can you believe is that car which had an accident and now it has been completely changed to an X5M? Definitely there are some people that will say, how will I know the process? Most probably during the process you have changed the cars or something like that. No, so let's go again and see the engine. Come along, let's see. Come and take a look. Isn't it the same engine still again? So this just to prove that that X5 has definitely been upgraded to an X5M, and the modifications were a success. So after all this, I can actually say our modifications are custom tailored suits for an X5 to be changed to an X5M. So here is the work, guys. Tell me what you feel, tell me what you think in the comment section. So if you like this kind of modifications, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos. You know how we go about it. Elevate your drive, define your style.